Firstly, head over to Fiverr and type in Canva. Here we can see all the services people are offering related to Canva. If we take a look at this one with 182 reviews, it says I will design anything in Canva. So let's take a look. This package includes social media posts, so they design Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and LinkedIn posts all in Canva and charge £15 for it. They then design brochures and flyers for £22, and in their premium package, they design presentations with 10 social media posts. For £37, that's around $51. We can see here the type of designs they make. They do posters, flyers, social media posts. This person is actually quite versatile. Next to their 5-star rating, you can see that they have 16 orders in the queue. So there is clearly demand for this service. If we do some quick maths, assuming all 16 orders are for the basic package, 16 orders times £15 and 11 pence. This person is sitting on £241. That's equivalent to $333 ready to collect. All from just using Canva and promoting your services on Fiverr. Now, if all these orders were for the premium package, at £37, this person is now sitting on £604 or $837. Of course, it'll be somewhere in between, but I'm just showing you what's possible and what's happening in real life. This is actual supply and demand. This isn't just a one-off either. There is another person who says they will create Canva Instagram templates for a beautiful feed. This person has 14 orders in the queue. And look at what they are charging. £45 for 6 custom-made templates. This person is sitting on £630. That's $880 minimum ready to collect. They charge even more for the premium service, in which they give you 18 social media posts. That would be up to 1,172 ready to be banked. You get the idea. So, what are they doing to earn this? As you can see, they are designing social media graphics for businesses to post on Instagram. This person is clearly good at what they do, which is why they have 269 5-star reviews. Of course, your results may vary, depending on your work ethic, skills, and application of skills. However, you can easily learn these skills. Now I'll show you exactly how to make 6 social media graphics in Canva, just like this gig, and you can sell them on Fiverr. So let's head over to canva.com. Select Instagram post or create a new design. That's 1080 by 1080 pixels. We'll just create a square post as an example. On the left-hand side, we have these tabs where we can put the design together. The top one is templates, where you can get hundreds of pre-made templates. The design will largely depend on what the client wants. So, for this tutorial, I'll pretend a restaurant owner wants some posts to promote his or her business on Instagram. There are some good templates, but I'll just create one from scratch to show you how easy it is. Firstly, we want to choose a background image, so I'll click on Photos and select a picture of some burgers. Normally the client will supply these images to you, in which case you use those. Once you found one you like, if you click on it, the image will be added to the middle of the page. However, if you click and drag it to the side of the page, it will automatically make it the background. It should just snap in place. Double-click the image and drag it to adjust the view. So that looks good to me. Now we can add some text on top of it. Click on the Text tab on the left-hand side, and I'll select one of these pre-made font combinations. Let's have a quick look. This one has a fast food vibe to it. So I'll choose this one. You can resize it by clicking and dragging in the corners and then double-click the text to edit it. I'll just add late night munch 10% off Tasty Tuesday. Now what you might want to do is add your website URL and logo to the bottom for brand awareness. So good in case anyone tries to steal your image. I'll just copy this text and place it on the bottom. To upload your logo, click on the Uploads tab here and upload the media. This will be the client's logo for this video. I'll just add my logo because I already have that uploaded and it's pre-made. Now I'll just position it on the bottom, and that's basically done. We now want to make 5 more posts. Just click on Add Page to create another blank page in this project, and I'll go through the same process. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'll speed up this bit. But, as you can see, it only takes about 3 minutes to make 1 page, so making 6 pages won't take too long at all. Say you took your time and made 6 posts in 1 hour. That's $63 you've made in 1 hour. If you want more detailed tutorials on Canva, then check out the videos in the description below. So this is the end result I came up with. The last one is not the greatest. I was just trying out different designs and looks, and adding various elements. But, as you can see, you now have 6 posts that you can present to your client. I'm sure you can come up with better designs than this. Your clients will also have some requests in terms of colors and the general look, so you may have to adhere to some brand guidelines. Most of the time, the clients are paying to save them time, and you are providing a service to do that. Once you finish making your design, just click Download in the top right-hand corner to download the images to send to your clients via Fiverr. Again, I'm just sharing ideas about what people are doing in the world to make money. In this case is using Fiverr to sell your design services.